Sagis, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you are currently dealing with or a returning person in your life. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Sagis. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies na naglilinger sa inyong love, relationship, or romantic situation. For Sagis, please. Up in the air, not able to make solid plans, flighty, ungrounded. Okay. Deadly combo, dangerous when together, triggering, explosive, laging merong arguments, okay? Tinitrigger ninyong isa't isa. Someone doesn't have a solid plans for both of you. Paiba-iba ang isip. Tangled web. Convoluted justifications, caught up entrance. Okay? Merong isa sa inyo nasa situation na caught up. Okay? Maraming palusot. Parang hindi alam kung paano makalabas sa situation. Okay, things like that. So, ito yung mga energies na naglilinger sa inyo, Sagis. Sa relationship ninyo. That is for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting with a person that is very brave, argumentative, hindi papatalo, okay? Palaging may dahilan. Up in the air. Okay. Yung person ninyo is laging nag-iisip about sa situation, okay? Parang hindi nagtitiwala sa inyo. Kailangan nyo magkaroon ng plans for the future para sa security ng inyong relationship or ng inyong connection or ng inyong family. Mahal ninyo ang isa't isa, but it seems na parang hindi magawa ng partner ninyo ang isang sitwasyon kung wala kayo. Namimiss ka ng taong ito, Sagis. Marami siyang gustong plans na puntahan ninyo, okay? Gusto niya makipag-meet up, makipagkita sa inyo, or gusto kang makasama all the time. Okay? But the problem is about work. Maybe you are doing too much work. Marami kang ginagawa or busy ka sa trabaho. Okay? Merong mga plans, creative yung person ninyo. Marami siyang plans for both of you. Nag-enjoy siya kasama ka. He or she feels confident kung kasama kayo, Sagis. You feel that this person maalaga sa pamilya, okay? Very supportive and nurturing. Okay. The situation needs to change, okay? Merong pagbabago or improvement sa relationship. Merong nag-iisip, overthinking, hindi mapakali, madaming iniisip, may bumabagabag sa isip nila, nag-iisip ng negative thoughts, merong negative thoughts, okay? Kahit yung situation is okay, pero merong hindi maganda na nangyayari, gumagawa ng mga negative scenarios sa isip. Merong stalking or spying na mga information about the person. Okay? Trust issues, okay? So, the challenge is para maraming pagdududa. Okay? Your person keeps on getting information of what you are doing. Okay? Merong spying. Pinag-aaralan yung mga galaw ninyo. Hindi niya yun pinapakita. Yung nararamdaman niyang insecurities. Okay? Pinapakita niya na okay kayong dalawa, okay siya. That he or she is confident of the relationship. Kailangan niya ng tiwala sa sarili. Okay? Very intuitive ang person ninyo, Sagittarius. You are fixing the situation kasi kailangan ibalik ang trust at ang tiwala sa isa't isa. Someone is working on it para ibalik yung tiwala uli. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga past negative na nangyari, past energies, kailangan mag-let go, kailangan mag-forgive. Maraming gustong sabihin sa inyo ang person ninyo, pero ayaw niya ipakita or ayaw niyang maging communicative sa inyo. Lagi lang siya nag-iisip. Okay? Iniisip niya ang situation, iniisip niya yung past. He or she is hoping that everything will be okay. Pinapakita niya sa labas na masaya siya. Pero deep inside, lagi siyang parang may doubts, okay? Lagi siyang nag-iisip about sa situation, about you, Sagittarius. Marami siyang plans for both of you, about sa family ninyo, okay? He or she feels na nawawala ng interest mo sa kanya. And namimiss ka niya, Sagittarius. Or maybe this is the other way around. You are missing the person, okay? Pero ayaw mo i-express, sinasarili mo lang. Okay. Take care of yourself. Kailangan mo rin alagaan yung sarili ninyo. Be secured of who you are, Sagittarius. Kailangan mo iparamdam sa person ninyo na mahal mo rin siya. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo, Sagittarius. The relationship is going through transformation. Okay? Kailangan ng pagbabago. Kailangan may mangyari na pagbabago. Sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. Okay? Maybe for some of you, you are married to this person already. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Okay? So, meron talaga mga negative thoughts, no, na naisip. But then, you have to let it go. Magkaroon ng open communication. Iparamdam sa person ninyo na mahal mo siya. Not just by being there. He or she needs you to communicate how you feel. Sagis, okay? You have to slowly but surely fix the relationship. Kailangan ibuo uli yung trust. Okay? So, that's the message for you. Sagis, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.